Hey, welcome to GT Canada, the most confused channel on YouTube. Today we're showing you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Android TV box. Specifically, this box is the Mi TV box. I've done reviews on this already. If you've seen my other videos on the Mi TV stick, if your stick is working, this will also work. This setup will work on that stick. You can check out my video here where I talk about overheating and how I tried to combat that on my TV stick. But for now, I just need to get Bluetooth connected to this box. What I've got here, this is a tiny little Bluetooth receiver. And what you can do, plug a set of headphones into this, and it allows you to connect wirelessly to any Bluetooth device. You could connect it to your phone or whatever. Personally, in this setup, what I want to do is have it connected to my TV box so that my wife, when she works night shift, she stays up while everyone else is asleep, so she would be able to watch movies or whatever with headphones wirelessly from the couch while she watches anything she wants on this TV box. So I'm going to show you how to pair specifically this device to this box. It's very simple. From the menu screen, you'll turn it on and you'll come into this menu. You just want to press up on your controller and go over and highlight the settings. You're going to click OK on the controller to pull up your settings. You're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Click on that. And currently, this remote control is all that's connected. That's the Xiaomi RC remote control. So I'm going to click on the top one where it says add accessories. So I'm going to click that, and then this is going to say looking for accessories. Now I've already put this into pair mode, so it's looking and it says this is Running Buddy. So if you're looking for something, this is what that is. This is Running Buddy. So I'm going to click OK on that. Now it's going to say pairing, and once it pairs, I think the light on my Running Buddy will come up. Okay, it says, do you want to pair? Yes. So now it should be pairing, and now the blink has switched, and this is connected. So if I start playing a movie or something, it will play through a set of headphones that are plugged into this. I've got my headphones connected through this device here, and you can hear it's playing wirelessly through there. I can control the volume up and down, and it's perfectly silent to everybody else. So mission accomplished. And you can use this same method to set up a Bluetooth headphone or whatever through that same menu. You don't have to have one of these devices. It'll work with pretty much any wireless Bluetooth headphone. I hope you found this video useful. Check out the other videos over here. And until next time, have a great day.